tēnā koutou I te whānau whānui, no ngā hau e whā. E mahi ana I roto I ngā mahi. Mō tēnei kaupapa, ko te kaupapa o patua, te hōriri, patua te nākahie, aue, patua te taniwha. Kia ora whānau, ko Ihaka tēnei, ko te kaupapa mō te rānei, ko te tikanga o te whare Karakia. So, yeah, whare Karakia. Very deep subject, te wairua tapu. It's a whole wānanga on itself, or series of wānanga that can go on and on. So I'll just try and keep mine as short as I possibly can, whānau. My experiences around the whare Karakia, to be honest with you, I wasn't very involved in that side, te taha wairua, because of it's been brought up in a different religion from my mother. My mother was a very staunch religious person, so we weren't around kaupapa Māori in the marae as youngsters, not very often anyway. And because my story is similar to Matua te Umuariki, my father and mother moved down to Tamaki Makaurau in the early 60s, late 60s, and moved around the country previous to that, looking for work because my father was a master builder. So we were brought up down in Tamaki Makaurau, and virtually my mother wasn't inclined to be around tikanga Māori, and she was a devout religious person in a different religion. That's a whole nother kōrero on its own. What I do remember though was when I grew up as a young man, and I was involved around an environment with different occasions, tangihana, mārena, mate, all of those things. And I do remember our people as being very, very spiritually connected. And this brings me back to what I was thinking about, whānau, was that I do remember there was a structure that I studied quite a number of years ago, and there was by Dr. Munro Jews, I think, but don't quote me, I could be wrong. Te whare tapa whā. I don't know if you've all heard of it. Te ara pautama, the 4 pillars of the whare. Ko te pau tuatahi, ko te taha tinana, so that's the first pau. The second pau, ko te taha hine ngaro, which is the mental. The third pau is te taha whānau, the emotional side with the whānau. And then the fourth one, I don't even know if they're in the same order, but there's 4 pau. Te pau, te ara pau, tua whā, ko te taha, ko te pau, o te wairua, ko te taha wairua. So that's the one that, that kind of made me think that in our world, te ao Māori, for the haukanga to be working like a well-oiled machine, the structure of the hapu, the haukanga, needed to be that. And Karakia was a daily ritual for our tupuna. And myself, I try and karakia nearly every day. Some days I don't get there, but I'm very, very spiritual in the sense of believing that our atua were elements of energy, and we knew that our tupuna were very, very forward thinkers and visionaries, and they knew it. But anyway, that was my pukorero for today. So, what do I have to do now? Oh, it's nearly 4 minutes, 2 minutes over. It was supposed to be a 2-minute video or something like that. Okay, he waiata tēnei. Okay. He honore, he kororia, maunga rongo ki te whenua. Ake ake amine te atua te piringa ki te oranga. Nō reira, kia hora te Māori no, kia whakapopo pounamu te moana, kia tere te kārohi-rohi. May the seas be calm. May the shimmer of summer glisten like the greenstone. Dance across thy pathway. Tihe wā Māori ora. Kia ora whānau. See you back on the other side. Kia ora.